got that green, got that purple, got that blue, got that blue, got that blue, got that. What, do I only have blue left? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? GT Charlie back at it again. I got new everything now, turbocharged tunes. I got these. Anyways, I want to let you guys know that yeah, I turbocharged my car. You know, I haven't been on videos lately because of that sole fact of, like, you know, getting the money together, getting the time together, getting the people together, and, you know, getting the help that I needed. It's been very, very crazy, you guys. I'm just really happy that everything turned out the way it's supposed to. Let's see if you can hear it a little bit though. Yeah? Dude, that flutter is crazy. So I ended up getting the Speed by Design kit, the 500X. It's got that, you know, GTX 3076R turbo, or the 20G Mitsubishi turbo in it. Installation, a breeze. For the most part, I had to get everything in order. You know, let's say, for example, like the evap lines. I had to get extra worm clamps for that. I noticed there were some things that I did use, some things I didn't use. And the hardest part was kind of like just labeling everything. The manpower work, you know, just lifting everything in there, it wasn't that hard at all. Connecting the exhaust manifold and the turbo together was also another issue that I had. There was actually one time where I spent maybe 5.5 hours doing just one bolt. Sorry, that was 2 bolts and 1 worm clamp. Outside of that, yeah, everything else was okay. There's one thing I do want to let you guys know is if you install a turbocharger, please, for the love of God, do not turn it on. Do not turn on your car. You know, I've had friends that told me they blew up their car after one pull. Don't drive it. Don't turn it on. Just leave it the way it is after you put the turbo on. Go get it tuned. 3 different options for tuning. You got e-tuning, dyno tuning, and then you have that open flash tablet thing, which is kind of pretty much like your own self-tune with the, you know, base maps or whatever. I originally went dyno tuning, and this time I went e-tuning with HRI. This video is pretty much so you guys can hear the sound of the turbo. You guys can see how everything's doing. I'm about 1 month in right now, and everything's working great. If you guys want me to make that instructional video, let me know in the comments below and I will do the instructional video. I did record a lot of the things that I did, and, you know, just recorded things that I thought would help me if this video was out when I was doing it. It is kind of confusing because sometimes, you know, I'm looking at different videos and I had to look at different people doing different turbo setups on their cars just to make sense of things. Long story short, I think you can do it. It is very time consuming, and I did take a whole first day straight out, but I'm really, really happy that I ended up doing that on my own. Shout out to my boy Dan at nw.frs. That guy was the reason why I pursued doing it on my own. Shout out to him for also recommending me to James Martin. That guy was amazing too. I definitely want to shout out Alex too from Drift Set. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for your hard work on the first day. It means the world to me. Big shout out to my friend Jason. Huge help for letting me use your garage. Your wisdom really helped me out when I was stuck and didn't know what to do. I definitely got to shout out Scion FR-S for helping me install this boost gauge. Bro, look at this thing. Amazing. Hey. Oh yeah, look. Got that green, got that purple, got that blue, got that blue, got that blue, got that. What, do I only have blue left? Oh, got that green, got that red. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the sound video.